All right, we got the call here. The plumbing drain has been clogged. So I'm going to show you in this video what all the pros do, how you can save yourself hundreds of dollars. You don't have to call a plumber, you become the plumber. So we're gonna use two simple tools in this video here. We're gonna use a balloon, you just hook up to your garden hose, and we're gonna use a jetter to make those plumbing pipes sparkle like new again. We're gonna show you all of how to do that in this video, so stay tuned and you'll learn how to save tons of money. All right, we're about to roll up to the job site here. So what we try to do first is locate a water line for our garden hose and the clean out. So those will be the first two things we locate. All right, so we're going to identify your clean out. So the plumbing line's outside. Obviously the water around here, there's a clean out cap. You want to clean around that first and then take the cap off so no debris. You want to also check for other clean outs. So there's one down here as well. You want to identify where the clog is at. So there's a mother-in-law suite over here. They both share the drain lines. They drain up into the alley. There's more clean outs here. So we got perfect water flow here. Let me get in here. Anyway, we got perfect flow here. So it means the clog is between here and that one over there. So we're going to balloon that first, and then we got to jet it. So you got to do a little bit of thinking beforehand. You can't just start throwing things down there and hope for the best, because the clog could technically be in the house. It's not too bad, but oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's gross. Yeah, the joys of being pipe cleaners. It smells delicious right now. All right, this part of the job sucks. So we're putting the balloon down here. We want to make sure we're angled the right way, and there's no sweep. So you just have to guess. It feels like it's in. Okay, now we're going to turn the water on right now. All right, now what this is doing, the water's going into that balloon and it's expanding the balloon and building up pressure and sealing it off like a wall. Then it's gonna put pressure down the line to push and clear out anything down there. We're gonna use the pressure from the water system, from the water tower. It's about 60 PSI. It's gonna shoot down that pipe and clear anything. You might be able to hear it. There's a little sound going, it's like a locator. It's also telling me that the balloon is open now and pushing all the pressure down the line. It really probably is only gonna take here 60 seconds, and then we're gonna have this line completely clear. And once this line's clear, we're gonna run our jetter down there. Now, if you don't have a lot of money, you could be using a snake. Pick a snake up for a few $100s, but this is the best tool to use, the jetter, high pressure. It's gonna clean the line like new again, blast anything out of the line, so it's 100%. We also have a camera. It's a good idea to view the pipeline, but we're not the customer doesn't want to pay for it on this one, so we're not using it. Camera costs $8,000, so we can't do it for free. I bet right now that line is already cleared. So we gotta kill the water, and you have to undo the hose to release the pressure after you've used the balloon, and then the balloon will shrink back down and we can yank it out of the hole. I'm gonna do that right now. Beautiful, see? Only a couple of seconds to clear it. Now, very important, you release the pressure, otherwise you will not be able to pull this out. And it just comes out like that. Take a good look. You hear that? Beautiful. See? You can pick up one of these balloons for about $16 at the hardware store or on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description so you can get one. Just connect it to your hose. That's all you got to do. Now we're going to use the jetter though, because they've had a repeat problem. So there's probably roots in this line. So we're going to get the jetter hooked up. We're going to get the water line on the jetter. We're going to jet this line. We get this boy fired up here. Helps if it's on the on position. Close up the shit over here. So we're gonna feed it down the hole until we see it coming out the other line down there. The
it's going smooth, so I haven't felt any impaction. Usually you can feel the roots. I feel nothing so far. We got 100 feet of line. This thing propels itself down the tube. Let's see if we're at the other clean out. We're very close to the other clean out. We're just gonna go all the way. Let's see where we are again. Alright, so we're there. So I'm just gonna slowly pull it back.
So what we're going to do now is clean our hose off because it's pretty disgusting. How long do you think it took us?
20 minutes.
Lost in a fantasy world, in the fading glow of what we used to be. Love slips away like a silent thief. I couldn't bear to watch the empty space between. So I crafted a mask, a secret scene. Just close your eyes and take my hand. Hold on, hold on. Come now, let's get lost in a world of fantasy, a world of make-believe, made just for you and me. We can plan how it's gonna be. We can be anyone we wanna be, just you and me, so wild and free. Let's get lost in a world of fantasy. First encounter again, whispers in the dark, a stranger's tender touch, your body